What's up, you guys? How are you? And welcome to the final video of Christmas Cookies with Cindy. Now, is it just me or did the month of December like fly by? I mean, I feel like in general this year has gone by so fast, and I'm sure that you've seen this on the internet already, but we are literally about to enter a new decade, and that just seems so crazy to me. But I had so much fun being able to recreate some of the holiday treats that you guys enjoy during this time of year in a much healthier way. For the Christmas Cookies with Cindy week 1, we made sugar cookies, and last week I made Snickerdoodle cookies. And so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make peanut butter blossoms. They are the ones with the Hershey's Kiss on top. I'm pretty sure you guys know which ones I'm talking about. They are a Christmas classic, and I'm gonna be a little bit biased here for a second. I think the recipe that I'm gonna show you how to make today is even better than the one where the Hershey's Kiss is on top. They just taste so much better in my opinion, but you're gonna have to make them and let me know what you think. These cookies are also gonna be made with much healthier ingredients, obviously, and they are also going to be both dairy and gluten-free. Now, if you did miss the previous cookie videos, I will leave them linked down below in the description, along with all the ingredients that I will be using for today's video. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, ingredients that I'm going to be using for the peanut butter kiss cookies include some creamy peanut butter, and I know I talked about this specific peanut butter on my Instagram stories, but I haven't talked about it here on my YouTube channel. This is the creamy salted peanut butter from Trader Joe's that I gave a try a couple of weeks ago, and I'm obsessed with it, you guys. They have such an awesome price point for this peanut butter. I think it was like $1.99 at my Trader Joe's. And the ingredients, you guys, oh my gosh. You guys know that I'm always talking about paying attention to ingredients, and this only contains dry roasted peanuts and salt. So if you happen to be looking for a peanut butter that has awesome ingredients, highly recommend you check this one out. If you don't have a Trader Joe's near you though, I will put the other peanut butter that I also really enjoy here on the side. Also has some great ingredients. Got some coconut oil here, pure vanilla extract, maple syrup, almond flour, baking soda, Himalayan pink salt, and then over here are some of the items that I'm going to be using to make our very own chocolate kiss. So I'm sure you guys know that in a regular peanut butter kiss cookie, you have a Hershey's Kiss. But since these cookies are going to be made with much healthier ingredients, and I want them to be both dairy and gluten-free, we're going to be making our own. So it's going to include some Hershey's Cocoa. This is the 100% cacao, and some mini chips. This is the semi-sweet version from Enjoy Life, which I'm always talking about as well. Really like these mini chips because they are both dairy and gluten-free. And then a small little plastic baggie that I will be using in order to form the chocolate kiss. So I'm going to go ahead and make the cookie first, and in a glass bowl I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of that peanut butter, 1/4 cup of the melted and cooled off coconut oil, 1/3 cup of the maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of the pure vanilla extract. Just gave that a quick mix, and the next thing that I'm going to add in is 2 cups of the almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon of the baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of the Himalayan pink salt. All right, and now that I got this all mixed up, it's time to form the cookies, and this recipe should make 12 cookies. So I got all my cookies formed. I also went ahead and preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Gonna pop these in there, and in the meantime, let's go ahead and make that chocolate kiss. Now to make the chocolate kiss mixture, in a small glass bowl, we're gonna melt a couple of things. The first thing is going to be 2 tablespoons of that peanut butter, 1/2 cup of the chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. So I'm gonna melt this in my microwave at 30 seconds at a time, and then it'll be time to add in the cocoa powder. So this took a minute to melt, and to that I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of that Hershey's cocoa. And what the cocoa powder does is obviously gives it a much more chocolatey taste, but it also helps thicken up the mixture so that it'll be easier for me to form that chocolate kiss. And then the cookies are just about done in the oven, but I wanted to show you what I did with the chocolate mixture. I transferred it to that plastic baggie, and then this I'm gonna put in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes while the cookies cool down, and then I'll take this out and it'll be time to add the chocolate kiss on top. Okay, so I just took these out of the oven and they were in there for 12 minutes. The next thing that I'm gonna do is, I have a pizza cutter, but you can use a wooden spoon. You just basically wanna make sure that you have a circular end here, and you're gonna press it down in the middle here so that then I can put the chocolate kiss in there. All right, fam, cookies are cooled off. I took the mixture out of the refrigerator, which was in there for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the end off with some scissors, so then that way I'm able to squeeze out the chocolate to form the kiss. Check it out, you guys. I am so happy with the way they came out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching all these healthier treats on my channel during the holiday season. Take care. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye, guys.